Hey everyone, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to embed a YouTube video into PowerPoint. So in order to embed a YouTube video into PowerPoint, it's very simple. All you need to do is first of all go ahead and open up your YouTube application or log in from your web browser. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. And once you open up your YouTube application, select the particular video that you wish to embed it into your PowerPoint. Once you open up the video, just tap the share button from the bottom and then on embed. So once you click on the embed, you can see the link right in the corners. Go ahead and copy all of it by tapping on Ctrl+A and then right click on your mouse and click on copy. Once you've copied the link, now you need to go ahead and open up your PowerPoint. Once you open up your PowerPoint, tap the insert button. As soon as you click the insert button, a list of icons will appear. So from the bottom right hand side corner, you'll need to go ahead and tap on video, and once again there will be a drop down menu. So from there you need to go ahead and tap on online. Once you do that, a box will appear right in center, so you need to paste in the link. As soon as you do that, hit enter. The video will be added to your slide. So in this way you can embed a video into a PowerPoint presentation. That's all for the video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.